Morning everybody. So today is the next day from yesterday. I was absolutely pooped. We ended up going to bed at 1:30 casually, but I'm sitting in the lounge up on the top floor of the Melrose Hotel. No, not Melrose, I wish Melrose. The Marriott Hotel near LAX, and we can see the airport just over there, which I'll show you. So just over there you can see the runway what's it called? Oh, there's a plane coming in. So that is all the airport of LAX. So then this morning was our meeting, I would say, for the TDLD dance. And then in half an hour I have to get ready and do our orientation class and get to meet everyone from all the different schools, which I'm so excited to do. So I'll check in with you guys later. Oh, and we're not allowed cameras in class, so I can't film that much, but I'll try as much as I can.
Okay, so we just finished our classes for the day. We did an amazing hip hop with this company called the Young Americans.
They are amazing.
Which, oh my god, they're so energetic. I walked in and I was like, oh my god, here we go.
Yeah,
It was
this
like
one guy who was
clapping and DJ music, and it was just intense. I think I took a video. I think you took videos, so I'll insert them right now. So we couldn't film, and it's like actually like a no technology rule, I'm pretty sure, because they want everyone to be social. I met some girls from Wisconsin, Scotland, all over the place really. It was
And
really
Alaska.
and Canada, Michigan.
And there's the one is the Young Americans. Who was like,
Oh, Austin was really bloody hot. He was my hip hop teacher. So I was really sweating up a storm. It's called push. Oh, and there we go. Sorry, that was a lot of fun. So now we've got a This way. So we've got a glow party now, which is super exciting. It's all fluoro and white because everything's under fluorescent lights.
so fun. And it's gonna be amazing. And then
So come along with us to get ready.
guys, where are we going?
I don't even know where we're going.
On a glow party.
I'm Sam.
Samantha. Sammy. Where are we going?
Tomato. I was like, no.
Is it a glow party?
I think it might be.
Is it a glow party?
I think it might be.
Myself before you go in. Let's go. Are you prepared?
Hold on, I'm gonna just hold on.
Oh my god. Okay.
We're doing their accent. What do we say?
What do you want us to say?
I like kangaroos.
I like kangaroo. Okay. Ready?
5, 6, 7, 8.
I like kangaroos.
I like my favorite. I like the Pop Tarts. They taste just like cheese and vegetables.
People stepping onto it, the small world of to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
Oh my god, it's so cool. You're glowing. Am I glowing?
In front of the, what is it? The front of the,
Wait, these stupid glasses.
oh my god. Shit.
We finally got into the ride. Well, not yet. We're lighting up after how long? 50 minutes? An hour? Mommy, we're finally here. Yay! Look at it. Yay! Happy birthday!
I just kissed you then.
Maybe.
Well, do you want me to actually kiss you?
That makes you sick.
Yeah.
Yay!
So today we're heading off to Santa Monica and I'm so excited.
Cha-cha now, y'all.
Dale.
Cha-cha again.
Suave.
Cha-cha now, y'all.
Dale.
Cha-cha again.
Suave.
Turn it out. To the left.
So we are currently at Santa Monica Pier and it is so lively and amazing and there's so many people, which is super exciting. So yeah.
Friend, get yourself a little treat today. After all, you only live once, no? Give Zoltar more monies, and I will give you more wisdom for your journey.
I'm not giving you another dollar, that was shit.
We're finally here. So I'm currently at the pink wall, and then over here is this awesome cafe, and that does like coffee, but you can print your face on it. So I printed Queen Kylie or King Kylie on my coffee, and it was so cool. And the coffee's like one of the best coffees I've ever had. So this is this famous pink wall, and we got 500 million photos on there. And now we took some with the Hello wall. So this morning we're in Melrose and I want to have a little squiz. Last night we just get back to the hotel and literally fell asleep because today is our last day and we're checking out tonight. Well, we have checked out, but we're leaving tonight. And I've been really sick lately, that's why I haven't been talking in my vlogs, because I literally had no voice. So we're going to the other side because I think there's a rainbow part of the wall. Home. Okay, so we're back at the hotel, getting ready to go to the airport. So we are waiting, well I'm waiting at the hotel ready to go to the airport. So our flight is at 10:40 and it is now 6:40, so we're getting ready super early because apparently LAX is hell to get through. So it's really busy behind me because it's like a steakhouse. But I'm just chilling and I'm super excited to go home, but also sad to leave LA. It's so cool. That beeping noise is driving me insane.
Okay.